All right, we're back with the end of day report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. All right, so if you must know, the reports are absolutely out. All right, so a little late this evening, but they are out. So you can go ahead and jump on that. Do what you got to do. I just want to show you a couple of things, and then I got to bounce. Do apologize for the lateness, but I've been in the lab. We got some major things going on here. I'll be at liberty to discuss it more in a little bit, but for right now, I just want to show you a few things. Everyone knows about the interest rates today and all that jazz. So yeah, they did the 50 basis point cut, which was already anticipated. So the market just did what everyone was knowing and thinking that it was going to do. So really no big deal there, like nothing to see here. The big issue was what they said in the press conference. And basically, in a nutshell, they do what they do. They talked up the market. They say, look, we're gonna do our best. We're gonna behave. We're gonna make sure that we keep the party rocking. We're gonna keep the U.S. In a bull market. And that's basically what they said in a nutshell. They know they can't, let things collapse. So that's pretty much what it's going to be. All right. So like I said, I'm pressed for time. So this is only going to be about 5 minutes. I just want to show you a couple of charts so you can get an idea of what's going on and where we're headed. Tomorrow morning, we're, Lord willing, we will be doing a show tomorrow morning, probably around 11:30. All right, so we'll do a quick show. I just got to do a few things on my end, and then we should be good to go. All right, so let me share my screen. And like I said, then I got to bounce. All right, so here we got the bond market. We're going to look at that first because obviously today was all about bonds. All right, so here's the TLT ticker. So we came into the day with a primary rally alert. We didn't get any upside production, even with the FOMC announcement. So we know they're going to continue to print money and they're going to continue to let things go. They need the market to stay steady because that's what people gauge. So when they say, oh, the economy is doing well, even if nobody in America has a job, as long as that stock market is hot and on fire, they will believe anything that the government tells them. So right here, the bond, today's decision was not enough to make the TLT run. It did not run, ladies and gentlemen. Bonds have been under pressure for 24 hours with no end in sight. Can they fix this bond market? As long as this bond market continues to collapse, rates will have no choice but to go higher. And what will happen is, even if the Fed, is slow to raise that benchmark rate, you're still going to feel it when you go to the store, when you buy goods and services. Everything, even services now are starting to raise their fees. I've been getting letters for service providers in my area, everything from pest control people to your HVAC mechanic, whatever. Everyone's rates are going up, at least 10, 15, some 30%. But the latest one is like the pest people, 15% increase in the rates starting ASAP. So just FYI, no matter what the Fed says out of his mouth, he cannot stop the hyperinflation. All right, so that was the bonds. This right here is the dollar. This is the ticker UUP. Look what we got. We got a catastrophic fall today. The dollar just absolutely collapsed today on the back of this. But are we surprised? This has nothing to do with what the Fed said, ladies and gentlemen. I've been showing you this chart. I warned you about all these gaps. I said this market's coming down, down, down. The dollar has at least to come down to here. So that's a nice precipitous drop. All right. So this is just the beginning. So get ready on the forex side of things. The euro yen should be ready to rock and roll. All right, here is Bitcoin. This is the crypto side, not the futures. Absolute, rally today. The market just exploded and gave us a primary rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's tax. So I see what you did. You made me say taxes, builder. See what you're doing, man. For tonight into tomorrow's trading, Bitcoin has a primary rally alert. Yeah, property taxes have been going up everywhere, straight up. So it is what it is, man. Yeah, the economy is wrecked, and it's not a thing they can do about it. I don't know, man. That's the thing. That's a very good question. Ben is saying, is a flight of currency to crypto? I would think so. You know, I, Wait till you see the next charts. Okay, so we saw Bitcoin, dollar, and bonds, right? Now check out the Ethereum chart too. Now, so far you're right though, because the dollar took it on the chin while Bitcoin and Ethereum rallied. So um, Ethereum already had a primary rally alert coming into today, and we finally got that upside production today, and it took us to the, very here, just about close to the top of the Kumo cloud. And I think the market wants to, break out and run from here. So we'll see what happens. But you may be right, Ben. We could be seeing a flight to the crypto side instead of, and out of the fiat. All right, Litecoin even caught a bid today. All right, similar to the Ethereum, and this right here is starting the process of upside production from the rally alert we had in Litecoin. So these rally alerts are starting to come to fruition. Even gold today caught a nice bid. All right, you can't really tell by looking at the chart because all you see is red and you see this big old fat grizzly bear, but the market did uptick today. All right, so you did get a bit of a reversal. So gold is trying to find a bottom here as well. So maybe the markets have something else in store. Taking a look at silver, even silver caught a bid today on this news. All right, and it looked like we were about to take out this bearish pointer, and then the market just reversed and rallied up and gave us a primary rally alert for tomorrow. I don't know. This is dangerous for gold and silver because every rally that we've seen has always led to, the bears smacking it down. But this is a primary rally alert, so perhaps something better is in store. Here is the US dollar index as compared with the UUP tradable ticker. And you can see here, it already had a primary crash alert, secondary crash alert coming into today's meeting announcement. And the market did give you that downside production. So yes, the market is falling apart. And then even looking at oil, crude oil futures took off on the news as well, giving you more upside production from the primary and secondary rally alerts from here and here. So the market is starting to give that upside production. I know it's really strange right now. It's weird. I know, but what can we do, right? Yeah, the bottoming patterns can take what they take. I've seen them, especially in commodities. We've seen 10 and 20-year bottoms, in commodities where it literally just smooth sideways that long. I'm not kidding. It's ridiculous, but it can do it. It can do it. Coffee's done it. Sugar has done it. All the commodities have done it at one point in time. So we'll see, man. These are uncertain times. We've never, ever been here before. So we don't know exactly where we're going. No one can say for certain what's going to happen because they just don't know. We don't know people's reaction. And that's the thing that's impossible to gauge is people's actions. All right, last chart, ADA Cardano, primary rally alert for today based off today's incredible rally from this support low. We thought it was going to take out this support here, but it didn't. It rallied instead. And so I think we may have enough for a continuation pattern to get to the bottom of the Kumo cloud, but then there will be some trouble as we face that resistance point. All right, so like I said, tomorrow morning around 11:30-ish, we're going to go ahead and kick off a video for you guys tomorrow, a live stream. So you don't want to miss that. I need to go and finish preparing for it. So Smash that like button. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.